What's going on YouTube? We're headed out to a car meet. We're getting ready to take the V out. There's some little things in my paint. I'm trying to get the clay bar those out real quick, and then probably gonna put some gas. I don't know if you guys can see the diffuser, but that lights up or something. I've never seen a badge like that. It's weird ass badge. It's the Y body though. I like it. Look at that ATS. You got an R32.
Somebody stomping around in those buckets. Huh? Yeah, fuck this. Fucking stinks now.
What's going on YouTube? Alright, today, I know it's been a while. I just really haven't been able to drive the Z. I mean, not the Z, the V. But I've been having like a small issue with the temperature sensor for some reason. My temperature gauge, like, it'll be at normal, and then it'll just go down to 0 and then just go back up to normal. I don't know what it is. I think it's the temperature sensor, but it also is making the car idle a little different. You might hear it now, but the car's been on for maybe like a minute, not even long. But just watch the temperature gauge. You see how it's like below 100, and then out of nowhere it'll go back up to normal, and and then go back down low. Now it doesn't want to do it. But yeah, I gotta go get that checked out. And of course, I think I may have like a small nail in my left rear tire somewhere because it keeps leaking. It leaks like a small amount every 2-3 days. Like, it takes a long time for it to leak, but it does have a small leak in the tire somewhere. Probably it's probably like a little nail that I ran over, but I gotta get that checked out. But now look, you see the temperature kind of went back up, and then this is the normal temperature that it should be because it's warming up, and out of nowhere the gauge will just drop down to 100 or below, as if the car is just cooling itself down out of nowhere, or the gauge is just not working. But you can feel a change in the RPM like it's just doing right now. And you can feel a change in the RPM, so I gotta get that checked out. And see, now it went back to normal, and now it'll go back down again. And see, you can see it just fluctuating right now. But yeah, I'm gonna head to the shop, get that checked out right now, because we can't keep riding like that. I don't even drive the car often. That's the issue. And this didn't really happen until after I changed the spark plugs and wires. I looked up on a couple forums, and people were like, maybe usually this happens if you're changing spark plugs and wires. You may bump the sensor or something like that, and it may cause it to do that. So today we're just gonna go get it checked out. I think the sensors are like $20, so I definitely get that checked out, because it's not something I don't want to be driving around like. And then we're probably gonna get this tire patched, but I'll keep you guys posted, and then I'll catch you when we get there. Alright guys, we got the tire patch fixed. We are back up here at the shop. See if my guy's here so he can try to check out this car, see what we got going on. Alright guys, so we ended up figuring out, well, we think we ended up figuring out the issue with the V. With the temperature gauge, as you can see, it's working correctly now. It's been sitting for a while. I've been back at the house. But basically what we did, I took it up there so we can get it checked, because it didn't start happening until basically whenever I changed my spark plugs and wires. So basically I took it up there, and we pretty much went through the sensors, and we found out that the temperature sensor on the front of the motor, on the the driver's side over here in the front, because on the V's I believe there's two temperature coolant sensors. One is on the supercharger, and then there's one normally where it would be on the motor. But we ended up checking the connection, and it was missing some plastic pieces that basically go on the end of the connection. And basically what was happening with the connection, it was basically grabbing connection, then losing connection, grabbing connection, then losing connection. So it was basically like a loose connection basically, and it was causing the car to run funny and having those issues like that, because that little plastic piece, I'm guessing whenever he took the spark plug wires out and stuff, he accidentally probably took that one out to get his hand in there, and the little plastic piece on the end fell off of it. And whenever he put it back, the connection was like, you know, it was like half-assing. So right now, I'm pulling the car in. We're about to foam. I got my foam cannon back, so we're about to foam the cts-v, and then I'm gonna sit it here so you guys can watch it. And because she is really dirty right now. Rain. Even though I have a car cover over it, the rain still freaking gets in here somehow. So, but we got the power washer out. So the V is dirty, so we're about to foam cannon this thing and get it set up, get it ready to wash. up. She had to have her little doctor's appointment today. She was acting up, being sick, but now we got her fixed up. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Got some plans. All right, damn dogs are barking at a guy, but make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. Got some plans for the V. Maybe we may go ahead and do the cam. I don't know. We'll see what we're gonna do, but make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. Stay supported to the channel. I will be going out to some car meets. I need to get some stickers for my Instagram, my YouTube channel, so people can follow like I have on my truck. But I'm sorry I haven't been posting up lately. I just haven't really been driving the car or nothing too much. I've been trying to figure out what to do with this business and working wise and stuff like that. So the V is still here. She's doing okay now. Probably gonna take her out to the gym and shit like that today. But like I said, make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, stay tuned to the channel, and I appreciate it.